Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me here with my new toy. Guys, you guys make fun of me, but I have a new toy and it's JoJo Siwa. It's because I like your style for hair. And look, so I will just be doing a vlog today. So I just put a little bit of lotion in hair for the dog. Look, I highly recommend this because it helps. Look, her hair was real knotted right now. And watch this. Just knotted at the end still. Okay, now much better. And so much better. So I'll be doing a vlog today. So Marshall and my dog, my dog. Oh, it's barking. Hi, Marshall, baby. Hi. Hi. He likes to get scratched behind his ear. So I just gave him a treat right now. You're so cute, baby. I so love you. Mwah. Look at his house.
Show him around here.
Oh, I already showed him. Hi, baby boy. I know he licks me. You like to lick me? Aww. Down. Good boy.
Come. Show him.
Scratch behind the ears, Oh. Okay. I don't know if he tried to bite me or lick me, but I'm scared. That guy's my punching bag. Okay. So, this will be kind of like a house tour vlog. So, this is my bed. So, I'm going to come on here. Go over there, please. I'm going to
You want to show them up?
No, it's fine. I don't think they care.
We live in a mansion.
What? We don't have a mansion. It's a big, like really big house, but it's not a mansion.
It looks like a mansion.
No, it does not.
Uh-huh.
You don't even know what a mansion looks like. You never even start to foot inside one.
I did.
Where?
It was a trip.
Y'all did not go to a trip to a mansion. So this is her hairstyle, guys. Just kidding, JoJo. This is... See, to take out her scrunchie, aka bean chip. Okay. Such a
Here's her rainbow bow.
Just got this yesterday. Woo! I just start to massage. Not massage, but just do this. Because it has like, I hate when it has the line. Cause it has like, you see the line? Because her hair is probably, guys, everybody's like, oh my god, look at JoJo Siwa's hairline. That's true. But you guys can go and watch the video of JoJo Siwa getting her hair for 1 minute straight. But whatever, what she wants to do, not nobody else's business. Okay, so I'm just going to do you guys a tour. The one room that I want to show you guys cannot, because the adults are in there and they don't want to be in the vlog. So I'm just going to leave that over here. There's Messy Wessy. I'm just going to go. I like to play with Marshall. So before I go and show you guys, I will play my baby with Marshall. This is mwah, baby Marshall. Baby. You got to relax. Understand? Relax. Hi, baby. Hi. Get the scratch behind your ear. Behind your ear, baby. Okay. This is the basement, so it's pretty
Mom is charging.
messy.
Where?
Upstairs charging.
Where?
So, is it raining? I wish we could see. This is one of the kitchens. Had some dominoes sitting. The pantry. Woo! One toy room, like with the bedroom, dining room, living room, and outside.
What the heck? You're not that on.
And I'm going to go outside. Some big chancletas, aka flip-flops.
Straight up. No, I gotta close the gate so Marshall can come out.
Hold on. You go take him. You could what gate? What gate? This gate?
Okay, close it.
Oh, I want to go jump in the trampoline.
No, close it. It's wet and you're not going. Come on.
It's actually not wet. Marshall's coming. I'll be outside with him too. So this is just out here. So you can go ahead and bring him the basketball hoop. Marshall's coming out. This is the other neighbors. I like that over there. Remember, my uncle built this house by himself, so like nobody helped him but his wife and his kid, who just gave him like the tools and stuff. So my baby Marshall's coming out. Marshall Adams. So that's just why it's not that great, but Marshall, baby, come out. Oh, that house looks creepy. So I just have some mismatch. What? Send him. Come here. Marshall, come on, baby. Ah, Marshall, mommy. Okay, Marshall. Marshall, get off of me. Get off of me now. Down.
Marshall, get off.
Down. Mommy, I swear to God, Mom, the dog is crazy. Mommy, get the fucking dog off of me. Mom, he's fucking on me. Mom, get the fucking dog off of me. No, Mom. No, Marshall. Stop. Tell Tito to go. No. Stop. No. Marshall, you son of
Layla.
Stop.
Come on. Where's Marshall?
No. Ow! Mommy, open the fucking door. Open it. Open it.
All right.
I hate that dog. I don't like him. I don't like that dog at all. Move. Marshall.
Jada.
Oh, he pink. Oh. Look at the freaking dog.
Where's Scratch?
Uncle Tito, your dog is aggressive. He jumped on top of me.
He had a pin up against the wall.
Like I was a freaking animal. Look, he scratched me right here.
Well, he is an animal, but yeah.
Look. Where?
Oh my God, yeah.
Look, Uncle Tito, look what your dog did to me.
He's an animal.
Like you? I'm just kidding. Look
He
at
is
it.
literally an animal.
Let me see.
He's hungry, T.
I gave him a treat. It doesn't hurt at all, but just, he came on top of me. My legs. My freaking leggings almost got broken. Ow. Bad boy. Go lock the door. I locked the door.
I'm gonna go outside.
No, Achilles.
No, don't open the door.
I will.
I don't.
I dare myself to go.
No.
Let's get it on your table, right?
The door is locked. Let's go get
I locked the door.
Who wants me to eat the dog?
I'm gonna open the door. Ready, Ma? Look. I'm gonna open it.
You have
What?
to unlock it.
I 1, 2, 3. Sight. Alright. I have a
Unlock
piece
it.
of Marshall's hair right on me.
Unlock it. Unlock it. Marshall!
Ruff, ruff, Marshall!
Wait.
No, Achilles.
Look at him.
Stop, Marshall.
He's doing cocky. Look.
No, Achilles, don't.
Let me see.
guys, look. Mommy, look. Oh my gosh. Look at it, even this.
He's a heavy, strong dog. How old is that dog?
1 year old.
1?
Yeah, little over a year, a couple months.
Look, guys.
Strong.
Daddy, Marsha's doing gaki. Ew.
So watching, I'm gonna end this vlog right here because Marsha was bad. As a matter of fact,
I don't know. That's why I don't have dogs.
but you gotta be like, you
Go upstairs.
gonna give it a treat.
Go upstairs. I'm
Yeah.
talking 20 times to you today.
Yeah. Get away. Marsha's eating grass.
Ew!
Ew. Marsha fell.
Don't open the door. So I'm gonna end this vlog today. So this video was about me getting attacked by a dog. So bye.